Good morning, yogis, and welcome to my short morning yin yoga class. These classes that I do are designed to just open yourself up, stretch your tension away from the previous night, and just get you going and feeling great about the day ahead. So for today's class, all you need is your yoga mat. There is no specific intentions today other than just feeling great, stretching out with me on the mat, and getting our day going in the most beautiful and possible way. So let's start with Reclined Butterfly. I'm going to invite you to turn. Lower yourselves down very slowly on your mat, bringing the soles of your feet together, opening up your hips and just allowing gravity to do the work for you while you connect with your breath and find stillness. So just enjoying how that feels. Deeply breathing in and out through the nose. And just being happy to do this for yourselves this morning. Waking up together and setting ourselves to be the best that it can be. And from here we can slowly close our legs. And we're going to be going into reclined pigeon. So we're going to be bringing our left ankle right underneath the right knee. And then we're going to be opening up that left hip. And through the opening that we created, we're just going to reach through, hold onto our right knee and pull everything in. You should feel a deep stretch in your left glute. That should feel really good for you right now. Remember to drop your shoulder blades down, relax your neck here. Do not shrug up with your shoulders. And if you find that you can pull a little harder on that right knee, by all means, go for it. And we can lower right foot back down onto the mat. And from here, we're just going to be pushing that left leg further in until our knees are in line together. And we're going to shift our hips slightly to the left side of our yoga mat. And with the right hand on the exterior edge of that left knee, we're going to go into a reclined twist. So twisting everything to the right, trying to keep both shoulder blades firmly planted on the floor. And then you can either look up or look to the left. And we can slowly uncross our legs, bringing our hips back to the center of our yoga mat. And then it might feel good to just allow your knees to drop left to right in a windshield wiper motion. It's really good for the low back in the morning. And from here, we're going to bring now the right ankle underneath the left knee, opening up our right hip and going into Reclined Pigeon on this side right now. So through the opening we created, we're just going to reach through, hold on to our left knee, and then pull everything towards your chest as you relax your neck and shoulder blades. And we can lower our left foot back down, releasing the grip that we had on our left knee. And then I'm going to invite you to push that right leg towards the left so that our knees become in line here, shifting our hips to the right. And then with the left hand on the exterior edge of the right knee, we're just going to allow everything to twist to the left side of our mat. You can use your left hand to brace yourself on your right knee, keeping everything down so that you feel a nice stretch in your low back and in your spine. And then you can extend the right arm to the right and look right. And we can uncross our legs, bringing our legs back in center, hips in line with our body, and then wiggling your knees left to right again. And when you're ready, I'm going to invite you to turn onto your stomach, placing your elbows in line with your shoulder, palms on the ground. We're just going to drop into Sphinx Bows here. It's really good for your low back, reconnecting with your breath, and just relaxing here. And from here we can tuck our toes, lowering ourselves down first, placing our hands in line with our shoulder, and then pushing ourselves up and back, touching our big toes together behind ourselves, opening up our knees, and then we can walk our hands forward as we lower our hips down into our glutes and bring the forehead to the ground. So we're transitioning into wide knee child's pose. This feels really good as a counter stretch to Sphinx. It's a great way to conclude today's short morning yin yoga class together. So let's enjoy this last asana in silence. And we can push through our arms, walking our hands back, raising our upper torso, and then just closing our knees very slowly. So I'm going to invite you to take this seated position in the middle of your yoga mat. And from here, we can just finish this class with stretching our neck, making small circles, left to right. Right to left. Small little circles with our shoulders, forward to back, back to forward. And that's it. That concludes today's morning class. So thank you so much for joining me on the yoga mat. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed to show your support. You can share my classes with your friends, family members on social medias, or you can donate to my PayPal account at your own will and desire whenever you want, which is the only way that I support myself through this channel right now. So hands at our heart, big inhale, and exhale. So until next time, namaste. Bye, yogis. Have a wonderful day.